Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a simple moong dal tovve with paneer. The ingredients are like this. Paneer helps in building a strong immune system and it prevents and protects you from the diseases. Firstly, need to keep moong dal for boiling. Then take a vessel and add 3 teaspoons of oil to it, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. And now I am adding some curry leaves and garlic cloves to it. Now I am adding a bowl of paneer to it. Fry it properly for few minutes. Now add turmeric powder to it and stir it well. This is easy and healthy simple recipe which saves your time. Then now I am adding a 1 cup of moong dal, boiled moong dal to it, and I have added a 2 bowl of water here. According to flowing consistency you can add water. Now I have added a 2 teaspoon of salt here. According to your taste you can add salt and allow it to boil for few minutes. Now I am adding a black pepper powder to it. It aids in a digestion. Now I am adding a garam masala to it. If you want to